Did you know pigeons can distinguish between the paintings of Monet and Picasso? Did you know pigeons are among the few birds that can drink water using gravity like humans? Did you know pigeons can remember human faces and recognize people who have been mean to them? Did you know pigeons were used as messengers during the World Wars, and many were awarded medals for their bravery? Pigeons can live up to 20 years or even more, especially if they are well cared for. Pigeons' eyes are about 3 times more sensitive than human eyes. And these birds see the world around them at a rate of 75 frames per second. Some types of pigeons are considered a delicacy in many countries. And it is said that their meat is several times more nutritious than chicken. Pigeons, due to their unique eye structure, can look directly at the sun. Almost all types of pigeons choose several mates throughout their lives. Pigeons have high endurance, and adult birds can fly up to 1,000 kilometers in 24 hours. Pigeons' excellent memory has made them messenger birds throughout history. Pigeons can fly at speeds of 70 to 75 kilometers per hour. There are about 300 different species of pigeons in the world. Pigeons are found on every continent except Antarctica. A bird called the dodo, which was unable to fly, was a relative of the modern-day pigeon and unfortunately went extinct several centuries ago. The pigeon is considered by many to be the top bird in the world. An adult pigeon has about 10,000 feathers on its body. Pigeons may be the first domesticated bird. Pigeons can find their way home from up to 2,000 kilometers away. Pigeons saved thousands of lives in World Wars I and II. Thank you for joining us on this origami adventure. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please like, subscribe, and share our channel for more captivating origami content. Until our next folding escapade, keep those papers creasing, and let the magic of origami inspire you.